In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Sweatcoin to Binance. This process involves checking the token listing, obtaining a deposit address, and sending the tokens from your Sweat wallet. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully completed the transfer. Start by checking the Sweat token listing on Binance. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Binance website. Once there, use the search bar at the top of the page to enter Sweat. After the search results load, look for the Sweat token and click on it to confirm that the deposit feature is enabled. This is crucial because you will need to deposit your tokens into Binance before transfer. Next, you will need to obtain your Binance deposit address for the Sweat token. Locate the wallet option in the top navigation menu and hover over it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select deposit from this list. On the deposit page, search for Sweat in the provided list of tokens. Once you find it, click on Sweat and a deposit address will be displayed. Ensure you select the correct network for the transfer, as using the wrong network could result in loss of funds. Copy this address to your clipboard for the next step. Now you will send the tokens from your Sweat wallet. Open the Sweat wallet application on your device. Once inside the app, locate the option to send tokens, which is typically marked by a send button. Click on this option and you will be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Here, paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. It is essential to double check that the address is correct and that you have selected the appropriate network. This will help avoid any potential issues during the transfer. After confirming the address, review the transaction details before proceeding. Ensure that the amount of tokens you wish to send is correct. Once you are satisfied with the details, initiate the transfer by clicking on the send button. Depending on the network conditions, you may see a loading indicator or a confirmation message indicating that your transaction is being processed. Keep in mind that transfer times may vary based on network traffic, and larger transactions may take longer to process. Finally, after the transfer is initiated, monitor your Binance account to confirm that the tokens have arrived. You can do this by navigating back to the wallet section and checking your Sweat balance. It is advisable to wait for a confirmation notification, as this will ensure that the transaction has been successfully completed. If the tokens do not appear within a reasonable time frame, verify the transaction status using the transaction hash provided in your Sweat wallet.